Hello students, in this video we are going to solve our semester 1 paper of class 8 subject science. Your essay 1 paper was of 80 marks and total 5 questions were there. So here let me start the solution with the question number 1. So question number 1, question 1a was choose the correct option. In that first one was which of the following is a kharif crop? The options are maize, gram, pea or linseed. So here your answer is option A, maize. Maize is the kharif crop. Next, second number, which of the following is not a fertilizer? The options are urea, NPK, superphosphate or vermicompost. So here your answer is option D, vermicompost. It is not the fertilizer. Rest of the examples or options are the examples of fertilizers. Vermicompost is a kind of manure. Next, third number was which is called as a connecting link between living and non-living. The options are virus, fungi, algae and bacteria. So here your answer is option A, virus is known as the connecting link between living and non-living. As we know that virus, it is behaving like non-living object or non-living organism outside the host body, and when it enters in the host body it start working as the living organism. So it is known as the connecting link between living and non-living. Next, fourth number, which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? The options are rayon, nylon, acrylic or silk. So here your answer is option D, that is silk. Silk is the example of natural fiber, it is not the synthetic fiber. Next, fifth number, what is PET? The options are polyester, thermosetting plastic, thermoplastic or nylon. So here your answer is option A, polyester. PET is a kind of polyester. Next, sixth number, which metal exists in liquid state at room temperature? The options are sodium, calcium, aluminium or mercury. So here your answer is option D, mercury. It is the metal and it exists in the liquid state at the room temperature. Next, seventh number, which gas is produced when coal burns in the air? The options are sulfur dioxide, hydrogen, carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. So here your answer is option D, that is carbon dioxide is produced when coal burns in the air. Next, 8 number, which of the following is a renewable natural resources? The options are natural gas, biogas, petroleum gas or coal gas. So here your answer is option B, that is biogas. It is the renewable natural resource. That means we can again get back this biogas. It is in the unlimited quantity. Next, ninth number, which is the purest form of carbon? The options are coke, coal, coal tar or charcoal. So here your answer is option A, that is coke. It is the purest form of carbon. Next is 10th number, which of the following is known as the black gold? The options are coke, petroleum, petrol or coal tar. So here your answer is option B, petroleum. It is known as the black gold. Next, 11th number, which of the following is not a combustible substance? The options are matchstick, glass, wood or paper. So here your answer is option B, glass. We cannot burn the glass, so it is the non-combustible substance. Next is which is not used in fire extinguisher. The options are water, oxygen, that means O2, carbon dioxide, that means CO2 and sand. So here your answer is option B, that is O2, oxygen. It is not used in the fire extinguishers because it is the necessary or requirement for the fire. If we supply oxygen to the fire, then there is the chance of explosion or the fire will increase. So here your answer is option B, oxygen. Next 13th number, which gas is responsible for global warming? The options are nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone or carbon dioxide. So here your answer is option D, that is carbon dioxide is responsible for the global warming. Next 14th number, what is called a part of the earth in which living organisms exist? The options are biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere or atmosphere. So here your answer is option A, that is biosphere. It is the part of the earth in which the living organisms exist. Next 15th number, which tall trees are seen in Satpura forest? The options are neem, banyan, wild mango or teak. So here your answer is option D, that is teak. Next 16th number, which care should be taken in an animal zoo? The options are habitat, food, protection or all of the given. So here your answer is option D, all of the given. That means the care of habitat, food and protections of animals should be taken in the animal zoo. Next 17th number, what did Robert Hooke discover? The options are nucleus, cell, chromosome or gene. So here your answer is option B, that is cell. Robert Hooke discovered cell. Next 18th number, which animal cell is long and branched? The options are muscle cell, nerve cell, blood cell or bone cell. So here your answer is option B, nerve cell. It is the long and in the form of branches, small branches. Next 19th number, what is the form by fertilization? The options are zygote, ovum, embryo and fetus. So here your answer is option A, that is zygote. After the fertilization or fusion of male and female gametes, the zygote is formed. Next is, which of the following structure is multicellular? The options are sperm, ovum, zygote or fetus. So here your answer is option D, that is fetus. It is the multicellular. The rest of the options, that is sperm, ovum and zygote, are the unicellular. So your answer is option D, fetus. Here the answers for these questions is given to you. You can check your answers for this MCQ from here. Now next question is question number 1B, fill in the blanks. The first blank is, the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called a blank. So this is known as the crop. That means the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called a crop. Next, second number, the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called blank. So it is known as the tilling, or you can also write ploughing. This process is known as the tilling or ploughing. Next, third number, synthetic fibers are also called blank or blank fibers. So they are also called man-made or artificial fibers. The next fourth number, metals react with acids to produce blank gas. So here your answer is hydrogen. After reacting with acids, metals release or produce hydrogen gas. Next fifth number, the process of separation of different constituents, or you can say components, from the petroleum is called blank. So it is known as the refining. This process is known as the refining. So here your answer is refining. Next sixth number, fuel must be heated to its blank before it starts burning. So here your answer is ignition temperature. The fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature before it starts burning. Next seventh number, migratory birds fly to far away places because of blank changes. So they are flying to a far away places because of climatic changes. So here your answer is climatic. Next 8 number, the blank cell receives and transfers messages in our body. So here your answer is nerve. The nerve cell receives and it transfers the message in the different parts of our body. Next, ninth number, female, human female gives birth to young ones. So human beings are called blank animals. So that's why they are known as the viviparous animals, because they are giving birth to young ones, and the animals who lay eggs are known as the oviparous animals. So here your answer is viviparous. Last one, tenth number, amoeba reproduces asexually by blank. What is the mode or method of reproduction in amoeba? So amoeba reproduces asexually by binary fission. So here your answer is binary fission. So this one is the answer for the fill in the blanks. Question number 1b. So here our question number 1b gets over. Now next question is question number 2a. So question number 2a is write true or false. In this, if this statement is correct, then you have to write true, and if this statement is incorrect, then you have to write false. So let me start with the number 1. The first one is plants contain nearly 90% water. So here your answer is true. Plants contain nearly 90% of water. Next is second number, use of fertilizers improves texture of the soil as well as it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. So here your answer is false. The continuous use of or much more use of fertilizers, it will decrease the texture or degrade the texture of the soil, and it will reduce the water holding capacity of the soil. Next, third number, acrylic fibers are more durable than the natural fibers. So here your answer is true. It is one of the advantage of synthetic fiber, or you can say acrylic fiber over the natural fibers. Next, fourth number, CNG is more polluting fuel than the petrol. So here your answer is false. CNG spread less pollution as compared to the petrol. So your answer is false. Next, fifth number, coal tar is a mixture of various substances. So here your answer is true. It is the mixture of around more than 200 components. Next is water is used to extinguish fire in electric equipments. So here your answer is false. As we know that water is good conductor of electricity, so if we will use the water to extinguish the fire in electrical appliances or equipments, then it may chance to that it will cause electric shock to a person who is extinguishing the fire. So that's why we are not using the water to extinguish fire which involves the electrical equipments. Next, seventh number, fewer trees results in more soil erosion and lesser fertility of the soil. So here your answer is true. Next is unicellular organisms have one cell body. So again your answer is true. They have one cell or single cell body. The ninth number is the basic living unit of an organism is an organ. So here your answer is false. The basic living unit of an organism is the cell, not an organ. Next, 10th number, an embryo is made up of a single cell. So again your answer is false. The embryo is the developed form. It has the more than one cell which is developed from the zygote. Which zygote was one single cell, or it has the one cell. So here your answer is false. Embryo has more than one cell. So this one is the answers for your true or false, that is question number 2a. So here our question number 2a gets over. Next question is question number 2b. So question number 2b is match the following. In that first matching, let me see, in that first one is rhizobium. What is the use of these organisms that we have to match in this matching? So the first one in that is rhizobium. So here your answer is option B, that is fixing nitrogen. This rhizobium bacteria which are there present in the root nodules of the leguminous plant, they are fixing atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. So here your answer is option B, fixing nitrogen. Next is lactobacillus. So your answer is option A, setting of curd. These bacteria help to set the curd. Next, third number is yeast. So here your answer is option D, that is baking of bread. In this, yeast is used, or in the fermented food the yeast is used. Next is protozoa. So here your answer is option C, the protozoas causes malaria. So there it is not the use but it is the disadvantage. It is causing malaria. Protozoa is the, it creates or it spreads the malaria. Next, fifth number is virus. So here your answer is option E, that is causing AIDS. Virus causes AIDS. So this one is the answers for the matching. Next one, second matching. Here the name of some of the metals or non-metallic substances are given to you, and where these metals or non-metals are used, that you have to match with the column B. In that first one is gold. So we are using the gold to make the jewelry. So here your answer is option E, jewelry. Next, second number is aluminium. So we are using aluminium foil to wrap the food. So here your answer is option A, wrapping food. Next is third number, carbon. So we are using carbon as a fuel. So here your answer is option B, fuel. Next, fourth number is copper. So copper is good conductor of electricity. So we are using this in the electric wires. And last one is mercury. So mercury is used in the thermometers. So here your answer is option D, thermometers. So this one is the answers for this matching. So here the answers for the matchings are given to you. This one is for the first matching. You can write the matchings like this. You have to write first column A, and against this column you can write directly answer. No need to write the question again. So you can write the matching like this, and this one is the answer for second matching. So the matching was question number 2B. So there question 2B gets over. Now next question is question number 3A. In the question number 3A, differentiate between the following was given to you, and in that three questions were given to you, and out of 3 you have to write 2 questions, and each difference carries 2 marks. So let me start with the first difference, that is between zoo and wildlife sanctuary. So in a zoo, wildlife or wild animals and birds are enclosed in cage, whereas in the wildlife sanctuary, wild animals and birds are free in the forest. So this is the first difference between zoo and wildlife sanctuary. Next difference between these two, so in zoo it provides artificial habitat almost which is similar to their natural habitat, and in wildlife sanctuary it is the natural habitat for those animals or birds. Third difference between zoo and sanctuary, so in the zoo take care of animals for protection, food, health, etc. are taken in the zoo, whereas in the wildlife sanctuary the main aim of this wildlife sanctuary is protection. So all those activities which harm to animals are strictly prohibited in wildlife sanctuaries. So this is the difference between zoo and wildlife sanctuaries. This difference carries 2 marks. 2 marks, that means you have to write 2 points of difference. 2 points in zoo and 2 points in wildlife sanctuaries. No need to write more than 2 difference between these two. Now next is difference between plant cell and animal cell. So first in the plant cell, so in plant cell it has the cell wall, whereas in animal cell it does not have any cell wall. Next difference between plant cell and animal cell, so in plant cell plastids or you can say chloroplasts are present in the plant cells, and because of this they can make their own food with the help of chlorophylls by the process of photosynthesis, whereas in animal cell the chloroplasts are absent in the animal cell. The next difference between plant cell and animal cell is in plant cell, one large central vacuole is present in the plant cell, whereas in animal cells much smaller vacuoles are present in the animal cell. So this is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Now next is third difference. It is between internal fertilization and external fertilization. So in internal fertilization, the fusion of a male and female gamete take place inside the female body. That is known as the internal fertilization. Whereas the fusion of a male and female gamete takes place outside the body of the female is known as the external fertilization. Next difference between these two are the examples of name of the animals in which this kind of fertilizations take place. So in internal fertilizations, it occurs in many animals including human, cow, dog, etc. And in external fertilization, it is very common in the aquatic animals such as fish, starfish, etc. So these are the difference between external fertilization and internal fertilization. So here our question number 3a, that is difference between the following, gets over. Next question is classification. Classify the following. This carries 4 marks and each classification carries 2 marks. 2 classifications were there. The first classification is between microbes in fungi and protozoa. You have to classify these microbes in fungi and protozoa. The first one is amoeba. So amoeba is an example of protozoa. Next one is bread mold. So bread mold is an example of fungi. Next is paramecium. So it is the example of protozoa. And last one is penicillium. So it is an example of fungi. Next one is classification between can be recycled object or products and cannot be recycled product. So let me see, the first one is cooker handles. So cooker handles, we cannot recycle the cooker handles, so it is cannot be recycled product. Next is electric switches. Again we cannot recycle electric switches, so it will come in the cannot be recycled column. Next is plastic chairs. So we can recycle these plastic chairs, so it will come in the column of can be recycled products. And last one is carry bags. So again we can recycle these carry bags, so it will come in the column of can be recycled products. Now let me see the answers for this. So this one is the first classification between fungi and protozoa. And you have to write like this, one column for fungi and one column for protozoa. And next, this one is classification for the can be recycled and cannot be recycled product. So you can check your answers from here. So till now we had completed the solution up to question number 3b. In the next video, we will solve the remaining questions of this paper. Thank you.